To connect your Sway wallet to DexScreener, follow these steps. First, you need to have a Sway wallet. If you don't have one, create it on a reputable platform. Once you have your wallet, go to the DexScreener website and click on the Connect Wallet button. Select Sway Wallet from the list of available wallets and you will be redirected to the wallet provider website. Here you will need to confirm that you want to connect your wallet to DexScreener. After confirming, you will be redirected back to DexScreener where you can see your wallet balance and start using the platform. It is essential to ensure that you are connecting your wallet to the official DexScreener website to avoid any potential scams. Before connecting, make sure you have the latest version of your wallet provider and a compatible browser. DexScreener supports multiple wallets, but the process may vary slightly depending on the wallet you use. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, you can refer to the DexScreener support page or your wallet provider's documentation for troubleshooting. It is crucial to keep your wallet and DexScreener account secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely connect your Sway wallet to DexScreener and start exploring its features.